Hey guys, Don Keating here, Team Donny Boy 8. I want to bring you a new ICO that's pretty exciting. One that I definitely want to tell you guys about and see if you guys are interested in this one here. A lot going on with this, and I'm going to go through some basic information in this first video. Just kind of let you know what's going on. The pre-sale now is live for the next 27 days. They are already reached 1.25 million in the first few days, and so far they have a soft cap of 3 million, which from what I'm hearing they're going to be over that very quickly. So I want to go through some of this information. First off, Mandala is a revolutionary digital asset exchange aiming to disrupt the market. So it is a new exchange that's coming online, and it is founded by experts in blockchain technology and design. What's going to be a little bit different about these guys, they're trying to make it super user friendly, and they have a high concentration on customer service. So they're going to be aiming at both the institutional investors, the established traders, and also the newbies, to make sure that they can come online, and they're going to have very quick, or if not instant, customer service available. They've already promised in here to have customer service, and it's a big part that runs through this, and they are going to grow that customer service as their exchange grows. Makes a big difference, especially for some newbies that don't know how to interact with an exchange, or if they have questions. It's going to be huge, and right now newbies are going to be the future of blockchain and crypto. So if you have an exchange that's new, user friendly, and has excellent customer service, it's going to get good reviews, and people are going to come to that exchange, and that's what they're betting on, and I do agree with their thoughts there. This is a beta version of the site. Everything is very easy and interchangeable. I'm going to go through just some of the information. What I'm really going to go through is they have a presentation that they put out for just an overview of the company itself. I'm going to try to go through it pretty quick. I'll give you the link below. It is web-based, so you guys can go in there and read it, check it out for yourself. Very easy to check out. It's very overview. Like I said, it's like a pitch deck, probably just kind of like, give you a breakdown of what's going on with it. But their basis is that the industry is due for a revolution, which is kind of funny because the industry is brand new, pretty much. But everything's changing so quickly that you could see the weaknesses in some of the products that are out right now. Poloniex is one of the exchanges that are out there for a while. The customer service is pretty bad. HitBTC customer service tends to be pretty bad, and I've had a lot of people come to me for help, especially when they're trying to get coins moved around and they're disappearing, and they're not, they put a support request in, they don't hear back. And then there's all different ones. I'm not going to go through them all, but they're all different, and decentralized ones have their own issues, working through MetaMask or whatever you have attached to it. So there's just a lot of stuff to learn, and if you're brand new and you don't even know what Bitcoin is, to jump to an exchange, pretty big jump. So they are trying to make sure that they have all the areas covered. Excuse me. Security, training, and support. Okay, security, they have some awesome things that they're going to be doing on their exchange, and I'll go through that on the next slide. Trading and investing are already complex, let alone navigating the oftentimes overcomplicated exchanges in the cryptocurrency space. In addition, market participants are without the tools and educational resources that can enhance their performance. So they're going to be providing some different trainings to get people going and to maximize their usage of the platform too. So they're going to be able to explain some things, some trading signals, and some automatic stuff that they have in the background. I'll go over. This is the whole, these guys are really shooting for the moon here to make sure everything's the best exchange possible. And I think that from the conversations I've had and all the information I'm seeing, I think they got it. So we're gonna keep going here, and support, like I already talked about, awful at most exchanges. So if they can get just that part right, it'd be great. Okay, so they have enhanced implementation of front and back end security protocols. They're trying to be as simple as possible. Automatic trading, risk management strategies, and trade signals. And then again, the service and support, prioritizing customer support and assisting users in every step of the way. Okay, here's some of their interesting security features. They're going to have 2FA, of course, but then they're also looking at 3FA, is the next generation security, multi-signature wallet structure, hardware wallet integrations, DDoS attack, IP whitelisting, and you can see everything else. But they are also having their own Mandala hardware wallet. You can see the specifications of it, and it's going to be fingerprint. So it's going to be another layer. They're going to be manufacturers of this wallet used to store various cryptos safely and securely, taking private keys totally offline, and the Mandala hardware wallet will marry directly to the exchange. So all you're going to have to do is check your fingerprint, no entering in private keys or anything like that. So this is going to bring in that third factor authenticator. Pretty awesome if they can get this to work. So this is going to be a game changer to make it easy, and this is what some of the institutional investors are going to need, is they're going to have a completely secure funds from the beginning to the end, and there's currently not a lot of ways you can 100% guarantee that. So this adding this extra third layer of security is going to be, I think, a game changer. So but at the same time, they want to make it easy to use. So they're going to have access to tools they're accustomed to, including order books, depth charts, all the normal stuff. But they're also going to have a next layer of support tools, which I'll go over next. They're going to have a live chat where available, support tickets, and dedicated support lines to streamline services and ensure that you're properly taken care of. You're not going to go into a queue of nothingness and never hear back answers. And it says right here, as Mandala platform services grow, our team of experts will continue to expand. So they are already set up to keep growing, to keep up with the demand that they will have. They already are designed for both desktop and mobile users, continuously refined to meet the needs. Crypto is 24/7, and so is Mandala. Okay, here's some of the other things that they're doing. Risk strategy system. Risk management and capital preservation are keys to success in the industry, and Mandala's risk strategy system will be advantageous to traders and investors alike. I want to see some more information about that, but just putting it out there. They're going to have trade signals, semi-automatic signaling system, enables users to select, and they can obviously trade based on signals. Automatic trade assistant compiles individualized data focused on maximizing profit potential by limiting automatic competition. So that's nice. They're going to be looking at the entire market and make sure that your trades are at the best times and with the least competition. And they're going to have an overall portfolio view. It's compiling information for personal records and tax obligations, made as simple as a few mouse clicks. You could just specify the specific period of time, currency, signal asset. So these guys are thinking ahead with the way taxes are going to be going forward. Depending on where you are in the world, in the United States, taxes are going to be awful next year. So they're already trying to think ahead of that. Nate Flanders is the co-founder and CEO, and then Anant Honda is the co-founder and CSO. You guys can find information on them. They have a listing right here about the team. They are on all the social media, and they have that listed. Then they have all their advisors and team as well. Okay, their proof of concept, which I think anybody that's watching this already knows. Binance has 2.4 billion in average daily volume. That is $2.4 million profit per day based on the 0.1% fee structure that they run. Bitfinex is 1.5 billion. They make 3,100,000 average daily on the 0.2. Users at Coinbase is over 20 million. Market cap 370 in here. I think it's up to 440 or something today when I looked. And average daily trading volume of all the top 20 exchanges is 341 million per day. So just, obviously this market is growing. A lot of people more and more people are coming in, and they're putting their competition here at Bittrex, and you can see their volume, their strengths, of course their volume. They're older, they're established, and they have an established user base, of course. Weakness, they have 0.25 trade fee, limited trading tools, higher than average Bitcoin withdrawal fee. Poloniex, same thing, 2014, established users partnering with Circle. And their weaknesses are slow and unresponsive user support, few projects listed, and confusing and complicated user interface at times. Okay, and then this is what Mandala is going to do. Offers a new investment avenue. Users will benefit from a 0.20 trading fee, with MDX token holders will receive an additional 80% off their fees. So that's a huge push to have MDX tokens used, kind of like you see Binance doing in some of the Qcoin and some of those other ones. But point 0.2 is already pretty low, and then they're going to have up to 80% off if you're using the MDX token, which is fantastic. Introduces enhanced feature offering with further advantages when utilizing MDX token. Striving to achieve operational compliance, Mandala is working directly with U.S. regulatory bodies and a veteran legal team. They're projecting $250 million for their exchange, and it's going to bring in annualized revenue of $90 million. So it's not a small idea or throw, rock in the pond here. It's going to make big difference, and you can see the different information. Everything that we kind of went through, tutorials, resources, everything will be automated and simple. They're going to be very socially active, user support, design and brand. They're going to be having a whole brand to try to make them more recognizable in the marketplace. And then they're going to have level 2 trading for seasoned day traders and institutions like compliant margin trading up to 50 times leverage, as well as a full stack OTC market, over the counter market. So that's where they're aiming at, not just individuals, not just newbies, but also day traders and institutions. And that's where the volumes will be, of course. Okay, here's information about the token sale. Pre-sale is going to be 5 cents. Week 1 is going to go to 6 cents. And then week 2 to 4, it's going to go to 7 cents. And then they have different bonuses depending on when you buy it. Okay, here's about the regulation. They are dedicated to achieving compliance. They have a veteran legal team that specializes in SEC compliance with them. Mandala has laid the groundwork with plans to follow all guidelines outlined by the SEC in becoming a compliant exchange in accordance with security law. MDX Crowd Sale plans to enact both Regulation S and Regulation A Plus Securities Act exemptions and will take place in 2 tranches. So they're already thinking ahead. They want to make sure that they are compliant and make sure that they are here for the long term. But like I said, this is one I'm super excited about. I think this one has really all the ducks in the row, and it's in the right spot of the marketplace where demand is going to be just huge. There's more and more people that are waking up into crypto, and the first thing they need to do after they buy their first Bitcoin is they go on and look for exchanges. So I think they're right in the right place, and then they can just catch this wave of exchanges coming online. And if they can provide all the different services that they're talking about with the excellent customer service, which is so important and lacking, I think they have a home run. So that's it. It was a real quick, simple overview just for now, but get in on that pre-sale if you want to get in on it. It is 27 days left. It ends on May 31st. And I hope you guys see this in this one. You'll see it in the chat rooms. You guys can come in here and ask questions. I'll have the link below for the ICO chat room. That's where you can come in there and talk about it, ask questions. I'll have all their information as well listed, the website, the presentation I was clicking through while I was doing the video, and then all their rooms and YouTube and Telegram and all that. So I appreciate you guys watching this video. I hope you guys like these. I try to bring you guys ones that I think are going to be real winners. But cryptos involves risk, of course. Nothing's guaranteed, and you guys should do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, but if you do have any questions, you can email me, donkeat, DONKEAT, @gmail.com. I'll be more than happy to get you the answer or help you out any way that I can. And if you like the videos, please hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel. Very helpful. And you can hit the notification bell to the right there if you'd like to get notified when we post new videos. I'll talk to you guys very, very soon. Thanks.